Hi everyone, National Wireless here. Today we're going to do an unboxing and spec video of the Motorola Curve. Now before I get to the accessories and the radio itself, I just want to highlight a few things about this particular model. It's a 1 watt 900 megahertz radio that comes pre-tuned with 10 license-free channels. It's Wi-Fi capable and will use this when it's most effective. This groovy radio has voice assistance, programmable buttons, as well as a curve portal that helps you manage your whole fleet. Now it's time for the unboxing. The first of the accessories that we will look at is the charging cradle. You can see the contacts on the bottom that will connect directly to the radio. You can also see the grooves that will allow the radio to slot in. The battery can also be charged separately by itself. On the back, you can see that it's a micro USB charging port. It's quite a small charger and it won't take up much room. Next up is the power cable. So it's just your standard Australian port, and on the other end you can see that it's the micro USB that goes directly into the charging cradle. The battery that comes inside the box is just the standard battery. Although it looks small, it packs a punch. It'll last up to 11 hours, which will more than cover your shift. You can also get a high capacity battery that will last up to 14 hours. And the final accessory that we'll look at that comes inside the box is the holster. So the radio easily slides in and clips in at the top. It comes with a belt clip that's attached, but it also swivels. Now let's take a look at the radio. But before I go through all the details, let's just put everything together. So on the back you have the battery door. Unlock the battery door and take it off. You'll place the battery inside and you'll hear it clip in. Now place the battery door back on and remember to lock it. There we go, easy as that. So on the front you've got a loudspeaker. You also have your antenna that's attached. It does not come off. You've got your push to talk in the middle, and you also have your voice assist button. On the side you have your accessory port, if I can get it open. And you can also see the groove on how the radio slots into the battery charger. This is the back, which has your battery door with your lock and unlock. On the other side you've got your on-off button, your volume up, your volume down, and your menu channel button. One thing I didn't mention is the push to talk. Behind there is an LED indicator. This is how it clips into the holster. It's quite a groovy radio. It's small, light, compact, and fits perfectly in the hand. If you'd like to trial the radio or have any questions, please let us know. Thanks for watching.